Tuesday. It's time. I need to brush my teeth.
What's up, guys? LSauce here. Welcome back to a banger video on the LSauce channel. And today, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to brush your teeth. So, let's get right into the video. First step, before you even touch the toothbrush, you gotta get your hands and go to your sink and wash your hands. Because you know what's going on in the world, COVID-19, it's really dangerous. People are dying. So we gotta wash our hands. You already know. So you could use any soap to wash your hands. I prefer to use goat soap, and I wash it. Just use a bit of goat soap. Don't waste too much. And then you just wash it, rinse it out, all the germs from yesterday. Take that all out. Wash it for about 30 seconds. Say the ABCs, it's better for practice and all that stuff. Usually, like they say the ABCs when you wash your hands, because that's like when it gets cleanish. That's what I heard. Okay, so we're done washing our hands. And next step, your hands are clean, you could finally touch your toothbrush. When you get your toothbrush, what you're going to do is you're going to go next to the sink and open the tap, get your toothbrush, and wash it. Like, get the brush set and wash it. It's going to clean all that dirty stuff from your last brush. Always make sure to wash your toothbrush, because you don't know who else must have used your toothbrush. And you got to get all the germs out, because there's cavities. You can get cavities. So we're done. We're done washing the toothbrush. So we're gonna get to step number 3. Now that we have washed our toothbrush, we're gonna go to step number 3. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your toothpaste. I personally use Colgate. I've been using it since I was born. This has been my favorite toothpaste. I love Colgate. This is the best toothpaste. Just read it for 3 seconds. This is good toothpaste. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it gently, and you're gonna get your toothbrush that you washed. Make sure you wash it. You gotta go put a little bit of the toothpaste on the brush, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna wet it a tiny bit, and yeah. Now that we have put our Colgate toothpaste on our brush and we'll wash it once, we're going to get into the teeth brushing. So as you guys know, I have one of the whitest teeth in the world. It even looks better on the 4K camera right now. Okay, so we're going to get this toothbrush. We're going to brush it. So when you brush your teeth, your brush should go in circles, because circles, they clean out all the germs that are stuck in the middle of your teeth. So you gotta go in circle movement. Circles. So, all in circles. Make sure you go brush the side of your teeth right there. Because a lot of people, they forget to brush that part of their teeth. So you gotta go right there, brush that. Usually you have to brush your teeth for 2 minutes, but I brush it for 5, but I'm going to brush it for 2 minutes because of this video. We're going to go inside. You go in the middle. Circle. Remember the circles. Remember the circles. I'll go to the side. And what a lot of people forget to do is they don't brush their teeth on the back side. Right there. Right there. Yeah, that's it. You're gonna brush the side. Okay, that's not that. And what you're gonna do of brushing your teeth, you have to gargle, okay? So you're gonna open the tap and you gotta put a handful of water. You wanna go? Let's do that 3 times. Number 3. Okay, now we get back to the toothbrushing. We gotta put it back. And you do the exact same thing like you did last time. Make sure you brush the bottom, okay? Don't brush your gums. Because sometimes when people brush their gums, it bleeds. Don't brush your gums, okay? Circle position. Remember circles. And make sure you're going on top of the thing because that's where all the cavities come from. Most cavities come from your molar teeth, so you always need to brush your molar teeth. Circles. Okay, now we're done, almost done, guys. We gotta gargle again, okay? Now you're gonna get a cloth and wipe your mouth. And ta-da! Your teeth are cleaner than before. So now we're done brushing our teeth. See? That over there only took 5 minutes out of your day. If you have time to play Fortnite for 7 hours, you could brush your teeth for 5 minutes. So make sure you brush your teeth 3 times a day. If you can't brush it 3 times, brush 2 times. If you can't brush it 2 times, brush 1 time. So, yeah. Keep on doing that, and it'll prevent you from cavities and all that sort of stuff. And, yeah. Make sure you do circles. Circles are one of the most important things. I go to the dentist every month, and once I forgot to do when I was little, I never did circles, and I got all dirty stuff in the middle of my teeth. I didn't even know that it was so important to do circles. So, yeah. Make sure you brush your teeth morning, afternoon, evening. So, thank you for watching. Make sure you click that like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications when you're done. And brush your teeth and peace out.